Hey guys, it's your girl Nobody's coming to you today with another mukbang. So today I did no sorry, turn it on. Today I did some cheesy grits and some sauteed shrimp. Requested by Little Miss Ambrose.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Mommy.
I have some butter sauce for my extra shrimp, guys. Maybe I'll put it there, I guess. No, not there. Right there. I have some extra sauteed shrimp. Extra shrimp. I have a lobster cake, like a crab cake, but lobster cake. And I have some circular fried sway fish. Okay. So everything looks good to me. And in here, margarita, strawberry margarita, guys. Amen. Move your cup over. Aiden. When he eat this tablette, guys, he don't focus. Wait, look. He don't focus on anything else. Hold on, we gotta eat dinner. Hey, or you can get out. Okay then. What's that?
It's chicken.
That's fish. Get a piece. We got some fish and grits.
Why?
Oh, you're gonna put on my glasses, boy. Show YouTube what you got. Tell YouTube what you're eating. Tell them what you got.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's hot. Oh, you gonna do thumbnail, Aiden? We'll do the thumbnail with the shrimp. Thumbnail.
I want to do a thumbnail.
Well, you gotta get a shrimp. Get a shrimp and do your thumbnail. We'll do like, get a shrimp. Get one. You gotta get one. No, look. Okay, well, I'll do my thumbnail. You gonna do it? Get one. He trying to do the whole thing. Get thing bigger than you, Aiden.
I want the thumbnail.
Okay, thumbnail. Come on, thumbnail. Look, thumbnail. Look. Good. Sauteed shrimp, guys. Little garlic, butter, pepper. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Mommy, I want shrimp. What do you want?
What? You play too much. He play too much, guys.
Pull it out.
No, stop. Stop, you make a mess. The laptop is right there. How you guys doing today? What you guys did on today? I went to work. And yes, we were busy. Forget the virus. No one cares. We were busy. What? Are you not eating? I'm sure. Good, baby. Good.
No.
Get on eating food.
No.
You want to pop out?
No.
Hmm?
No.
Get on. Cheesy grits.
David.
Butter. Get off the table. Talk to YouTube.
Hello.
Tell YouTube where you been.
I want daddy.
He went with his daddy yesterday, guys, and I was all alone last night.
It good?
It is good. Let me try my lobster cake. It's still hot too. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Man, scratching their head like they want more.
Daddy.
Hmm?
Daddy.
Stop. You want a piece of fish?
No.
Look. Come here. You know you're looking at him. Look. Stop. You want some fish?
No.
You taste the shrimp? The fish?
I'm full.
Yeah.
I'm full of that amazing
Baby
cooking.
dad number 3.
That cooking is amazing.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Mommy. Move. Move. Monkey.
Move, get in your chair. You can get on because you're not. Aiden, tell you to bye because you're not focusing. You're not participating. You're not eating.
No.
You want some fish?
No.
No? Well, tell YouTube bye. Bye, YouTube.
Why you do
Ain't fooling with y'all today.
Okay, you trying to get down.
I'm cool. Come on.
I
Aiden's good.
can mine.
Oh.
Oh. I can mine.
Yes, get it. That's what he wants, tablet.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
Have some, guys. Good, good, good. Got my little green onions up in here. Top with some of that sauteed butter from that shrimp. It's good. I haven't eaten all day, guys. I'm kind of full of margarita, I guess. Nine minutes in. It's actually pretty good. I did mine in the oven. around, drew my eyebrows on with the dark black ink that I do not like. Eye pencil. I just tried it. I tried it the other day when I did my makeup. It looked better when I did my makeup, the whole facial makeup, but check them bad boys out. Ooh. I don't like it. I'm gonna stick with my little dark brown that I normally use. Yeah. I have to work on some homework this week. Last week I was very, very unproductive. This week I have to buckle down and focus. It's been so hectic with what's going on and everything, and just homeschooling the kids. It's been a lot. I ain't been able to function or focus right here lately. But this week I'm gonna focus and do what I need to do. I'm gonna get this semester done and complete it over with. Yeah. Look, guys, thank you for coming through, watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Share this video with friends, family, media, Facebook, and all, guys. Share your girl. Nobody eats. Thank you guys for coming through. Love ya.